what is meant by force, and what are the changes produced by the force, and types of the force. Okay na? Now in this class we will discuss the remaining concepts. Right? Yesterday we discussed about the types of contact forces. The contact forces are again broadly divided into three types. They are muscular force, frictional force, normal force. Again I am asking you, what is meant by muscular force? Muscular force means the force which acts by using of our muscles on any object. Such type of force is known as muscular force. Where we can use the muscular force? In a gym. Suppose with one example I will explain the muscular force. Okay na? Suppose take a dumbbell. We can do with the dumbbell several times like this. After half an hour, our muscles will be tightened means they become hardly. Okay na? Why they become hardly? All our muscles, body muscles are participated in the activity or in the work. So all our body muscles are exerting the force on the dumbbell. So that's why that is known as muscular force. Next, frictional force. Frictional force already I told. The force which is acts on a moving object in an opposite direction. It is the force which is act on the relative motion of the object in opposite direction. Suppose it is moving relatively, one object is moving relatively in opposite direction. The force is acting. That the force is invisible. Another direction, another force is acting on the body. Such type of force is known as frictional force. Next, normal force. What do you mean by normal force? The force which exerts by the object in a normal direction. In normal direction, that means in upward direction. That force is known as normal force. Why a book? Suppose I am keeping a book on here. Why the book is not? It is not always falling to the ground. It is only the earth can attack the book or any fruit. Okay na? But here the normal force is acts on opposite side of the gravitation force. That's why the book is placed on the table. It can stay on the table. Next, now we will discuss about the non-contact forces. Non-contact forces, right? First one, magnetic force. First one is what is the magnetic force. What is meant by magnetic force? The force which exerts by using the magnet which are attracting the iron nails. That force is known as magnetic force. Best example, take a magnet and take some iron nails and place the iron nails on certain distance. Now place the magnet to nearer of the iron nails. Then all the iron nails can be attracted to the magnet. That is the magnetic force. So a magnetic force is belongs to the non-contact force only. Why it is belongs to non-contact force? There is no direct physical contact between the magnet and the iron nails. There is no direct contact only. That's why it is non-contact force or force at a distance. Next, electrostatic force. What is meant by electrostatic force? Right. The force which exerts by using the force which exerts by an object due to the static electric charges. So due to the static electric charges, the force is exerted on the another object. Such type of force is known as electrostatic force. Okay na? Next gravitational force and the attraction force between any two objects is known as gravitational force. Suppose a fruit is falling from the tree only. Why the fruit is falling from the tree? There is an attraction force between the fruit and the ground. That attraction force here you can call as gravitational force, right? So these are the non-contact forces. First one, non-contact forces again three types, and they are magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force. So in these three, there is no direct physical contact between the two interacting objects. Interacting means touching. Okay na, here interacting. Okay na, or participating. Right. So in this non-contact force, there is no direct physical contact. Only the direct physical contact is it is applied in only contact forces. Here normal force. Suppose it is normal force. The direct contact is there between table and this duster. And frictional force, I am walking easy comfortably because the frictional force is applied between the land and my chappals or foots. And muscular force, there is direct contact between the muscles and object. Okay na? So suppose why I am easily writing on the blackboard? Because of muscular force. Muscles are here working easily, comfortably. So with the help of muscular force. So there is a contact between my hand and this pen. Okay na? Muscles are here working. Okay, right. Apart from that, so here we are learning about the types of forces. Right. There is one more force that is acting. That is net force. Okay na? This is one more force, another type. What is meant by net force? The algebraic sum of all the forces acting on the object is known as net force. So what is the net force? Suppose this is an object only. Okay na? Here this side one force is applied. Okay na? This side one more force is applied. Here 10 newtons force applied in this side. Here 8 newtons force is applied in opposite side. Now what is the net force? Here in one direction one force is applied, in opposite direction another force is applied. Then the net force is equal to, here the forces are in opposite direction. So that's why we can subtract them. So here 10 newtons in this direction 10 newtons. So it is opposite means minus how much? 8 newtons. So finally net force is 2 newtons. The 2 newtons net force is acting on this object. Okay, are you understood? Again. So in this diagram, find out the net force in this diagram. So here in this direction 10 newtons force is applied. In opposite direction, the 8 newtons is applied. Okay na? So what is the net force here? So these two forces are in opposite direction. So we can subtract them. Okay. So in this direction 10 newtons, in this opposite direction minus 8 newtons. Finally 2 newtons is the net force of this diagram. Okay. One more example I will explain here. Find out the net force of the following diagrams. Let's see here. This is one object. Here 6 newtons force is applied. Here downside 8 newtons force is applied. But opposite direction here, okay, right, 4 newtons force is applied. Then what is the net force on this diagram? Right, solution. First, in this direction there are two forces acting on it. 6 newtons force and 8 newtons force. So these are in the same direction, but this 4 newtons is acting on opposite direction. So these two are adding and this one is subtracting. So these two forces are same, means we can adding them. So 1 plus 2, 8 newtons plus 6 newtons, and this is opposite direction, means minus 4 newtons. So here net force F net, it is represented as F net. F net means net force. F net is equal. Now 8 plus 6 how much? 14 minus 4. How much? 10 newtons. Newtons are the units for the force. So this is the net force. Again, in this diagram there are two forces are acting on it. How many forces are there? In this direction, two forces, 6 newtons and 8 newtons. So these two are in the same direction, means we can add in. Okay, 8 plus 6. But it is acting in opposite direction only. Opposite direction, 4 newtons means it is minus 4. So 8 plus 6, 14, minus 4, 10 newtons. Okay, one more example I will do this one. This is an object. Now here 8 newtons force is applied and here 2 newtons force is applied. Okay, Nande? Now find out the net force on this diagram, on this object. Okay, na? So here, yes, see here. Here 8 newtons force, here 2 newtons force. Both are in same direction, Nande. Both are same direction. So 8 plus 2. Total how much? 10 newtons. 10 newtons. Okay, right. One more example I will give. Right, see here. This is one more object. Here 6 newtons force is applied in this direction. In this direction 6 newtons force is applied. Now find out the net force on this object. So how can you find out it? Here in this direction 6 newtons, in opposite direction also 6 newtons. 6 newtons, 6 newtons. So there is no net force. So F net is equal. This direction 6 newtons and opposite direction minus 6 newtons. 6 minus 6 0 newtons. That means there is no net force acting on this object. Okay, now right. One more diagram. See here. Right. See this diagram. Right. Here 8 newtons force applied. Here 6 newtons force is applied. Upward 8 newtons, downward 6 newtons. What is the net force? So F net is equal to, first upward how much? 8 newtons. This is one direction 8. This is opposite. Opposite means this is minus. Okay. So here minus 6 newtons. So finally how much? 2 newtons. 2 newtons in normal direction. Normal ante upward direction. Downward ante gravitation force. Normal means upward force. So 2 newtons force is applied on normal direction. Okay, na? Right. These are the examples for problems for net force. These are most important, which are already asked in your examinations. Okay, na? Right. What is the net force? The algebraic sum of all the forces acting on the object. Suppose all this side one force, this side one force, this side one force, this side. So these are all the algebraic sum. Sum means plus. Algebraic sum of all the forces acting on the object is known as net force. Okay, na? Right. Next. Okay, my dear students, the fruit falling from the tree is example for which force? Contact force, non-contact force. Okay, right. Non-contact force. Especially it is belongs to which force? Gravitational force. A magnet can attract the nails. Is example for which force? Magnetic force. Electrostatic force. Okay, na? Yes. Electrostatic force, I will give an example of an activity. Right. Take a paper and tear the paper into small pieces, very small pieces only. And now take a hair comb. Okay, na? But this activity you do after completion of the bath only. Okay, na? That means your hair become dry. Now with the comb, you apply the comb like several times. You move forward in your head, in your hair. After 10 times or 15 times, completion of moving of the comb. Now bring the comb to the nearest of the small pieces of paper. Then the small papers are attracted towards the comb because of comb. Why the small papers of pieces of papers are attracted to the comb? Because of an invisible force is acting between the comb and pieces of paper. That is a electrostatic force. Electric charges are there. Okay, na? That's why it is belongs to the electrostatic force. The gravitational force means already I explained. The attraction force between the any two objects in the universe is known as gravitational force. Okay, na? Right? So now, what is the where we can use the muscular force, right? Some examples for muscular force, right? Where in which activities we are using the muscular force, right? Lowering a basket or lowering a bucket. Yes, we can lifting the lowering the bucket, right? Bathing. Yes, here bathing. In bathing, we are using the muscles. In bathing, we are using the muscles. And eating. Here we are using the muscles. Eating, walking, writing. Okay, na? Writing, walking, eating. Okay, na? As suppose the bullock cart. It is pulling the cart. They are using their muscles. Okay, in all these activities, who is acting their muscles? Lowering the bucket. We can lowering the bucket from ground to highest position. So we are using our hand muscles. Okay, na? Bathing. While we are doing the bathing, we are using our muscles, body muscles. Eating here, mouth muscles and nose, mouth muscles we are applying. Walking, legs muscles we are applying. Eating, okay, writing here, hand muscles we are using. So in all these cases, we are using the muscular force or muscular force. Okay, na? Right. The muscular force we are using it. And how do you appreciate the role of friction? Yes, frictional force is there now. The frictional force, we are easily walking on the road with comfortably. How is it possible? Because of frictional force. So we can appreciate easily the frictional force. With the using of frictional force, we are easily walking and comfortably walking. Okay na? And the objects easily moves and controlled due to the friction. Yes. Suppose right. The vehicles are moving from one place to another place. Okay na? Right. In such cases, if between the tires and land there is a frictional force is there. That is what is there? Frictional force. So we can appreciate the frictional force and right. And it can allow the grip and easily catch to become the easily catch any object for better grip. Suppose now I am I am writing with this pen on blackboard. I am easily catching this object because of frictional force. Okay na? Right. So that's why we are appreciating the frictional force. Suppose without friction, what will happen? Okay na? If there is no friction on the world, then what will happen? We can't walk. Without friction, we can't walk. Okay na? Now we can't do any work. We can't do any work. Okay. We can't eat. We can't walk. Without friction, we can't walk perfectly. Okay na? There is no friction between the legs and us, then we can easily skid. Okay na? Right. So without friction, we can't write with pen on blackboard. We can't write. Okay na? Without friction. So see, there are several uses with the frictional force. So without friction, we can't do anything. The vehicles, that means buses, lorries, cars, each and every vehicle, without this friction force, they can be easily skidding and falls on the land. Okay na? That's why without friction force, we can't do anything. That is the explanation about the frictional force. Right. So in this class, we are appreciating the how we are appreciating the frictional force, and how can you solve the problems on net force, and what is the explanation about the non-contact forces. Okay na? Okay. So each and every explained we learn in detailed manner in this class. Okay na? Right. Again one more time. What is meant by force? A force is a push or pull or both. What is the changes produced by the force? It can produce the change of shape of the object, any shape. Suppose take a sponge. The sponge is in a rectangular shape. If you are applying the force on the sponge, squeezing the sponge, then the sponge is their shape is changed. Okay na? Next, speed of the object. Yes, speed of the object. Bicycle. Okay na? Bicycle has how many pedals? 2 pedals. Okay na? While we are riding the bicycle, we are applying more force on the pedals. Then the speed of the bicycle can be increases. So who is increases the velocity of the bicycle? The force. Yeah, the force. That's why the force is change the speed of object. Next, it can change the direction of the object. Right. Suppose yes, in carom board already explained na. In carom board, with the striker, we are applying the force on the striker. Then the striker can hit the carom coins. The carom coins and the striker and the carom coins moves or goes in different directions. Or suppose here a chair is there. I am applying a force on this chair. Then the chair is moves in the direction of my applied force. I am applying this side means applying the force in this direction means then the series also moves in this direction. Suppose I am applying the force in a straight means the series moves in a straight direction. Okay na? So a force can change the direction of the object also. Okay, and contact forces, types of forces, contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces again three types: muscular force, frictional force, normal force. Non-contact forces are again three types: magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force. What do you mean by contact force? Contact force means the force which exerts by there is a direct physical contact between the two interacting objects. Okay, the two objects compulsory which are in contact and compulsory. Then there is a force acting on the two objects. Such force is called the contact force. But there is no direct contact. There is no contact between the two objects. There is no touching. There is no contact between objects. Such force is called non-contact force. Here, muscular force. What is muscular force? The force which exerts by using of our body muscles is known as muscular force. What is frictional force? The force which exerts in opposite direction of the relative motion on the surface of the object. It is always acting in opposite side of the relative motion of the object. Such force is known as frictional force. Next, normal force. The force which exerts by an object in a normal direction, that is known as a normal force. Next, magnetic force, non-contact forces only. What is mean by magnetic force only? The force which exerts by the magnet attracting the nails is known as magnetic force. What is mean by electrostatic force? The force which exerts by the object due to the static electric charges is known as static electric charges. Two charges is there: positive charge, negative charge. Due to the static electric charges, a force is applied. That force is between the non-contact of the two objects. The two electric charges applied means such force is known as electrostatic force, gravitational force. Between any two objects in the universe, attraction force. The attraction force between the two objects is known as gravitational force. Yes. Now I am giving an example for you, a problem for your homework. So I will do this one. Find the net force. Here 2 newtons, 4 newtons, 6 newtons. Here 3 newtons, here 5 newtons. Find this problem. Okay na? Right. Okay? Right. This is the homework for you. Okay na? Right. Okay? Today in this class we will learn about the contact forces, non-contact forces, net force and examples for muscular forces. The situations we are using the muscles. Which situations? Okay, and examples for all these forces. Okay, net force example problems. Each and everything we are detailed in detailed manner we are learned. Okay, my dear students. Thank you, and tomorrow we will meet again.